Do you want to click send and make $1,000 a day? If so, then affiliate mentor is your business opportunity. What is affiliate mentor and why is it the best business opportunity? Because it includes the number one needed product in our business: traffic. You need traffic. Consistent, high quality, top tier traffic from a company that's been providing traffic for over a decade now. The best type of traffic. Besides free traffic is what, by the way. Quality free traffic is the bomb. So I'm not going to even lie. Now, what if you had this product? Well, if you got it at the second level, you get it for half off. Not only that, you can get paid with this business opportunity even if nobody buys. What? Even if nobody buys and they click your link, you can get paid. They're reading your emails, etc., which they should be, because these are the bomb bonuses, the best bonuses. Affiliate Mentor is going to go places in this year and beyond. It is the product of the future. And if you join me, you join the best team. Your whole team's going to be trained on how to get free traffic. You ranked in YouTube and also in Google. It's harder to get ranked in Google, but I've had a few videos get there. So if you're interested in your whole team getting trained, and all you got to do is send them a quick text, an email, and a text. A call, an email, and then a call. So you basically send them the link to the team site, and they say, "Hey, did you get the link? Can you do that?" If so, you can build a team with this. Especially if you follow the done for you strategy and how to scale. This even gets free bonuses. One of our free bonuses teaches you how to invest crypto. We don't have to sponsor anybody. You could just make money with Bitcoin. That's just one of our bonuses. So you get a done for you system that trains your people how to rank their videos, how to scale, etc., etc. And another bonus is the number one affiliate in this entire company is going to mentor you. That's what the email is about. Because he's going to take the reins, and he meets daily on a webinar and helps you build your business. Not just you, but everybody else. And you can offer all these bonuses as your own too. So what's not to like? Love. Affiliate mentor